Back with another video. Changing the screen on the Chromebook. It's gonna be glue. So you want to try to glide this onto the sides. The bottom is the hardest part. You can get a heat gun and heat this up to loosen it up slightly. Then you just pry it open. Bottom part is kind of the hardest, because that's where the most glue is at. So if we were trying to save the screen, we would just heat it up. That way it come off easier. But since the screen is already damaged, doesn't matter. Then you pry it open. Then you want to try to get these edges off of this bar. Set this off to the side. You only need 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do it like this, and then flap off. Screwdriver. You take a screwdriver. There's going to be 4 screws. Peel this up and unplug it. It's a good way to save some money if you don't want to just purchase a whole another one. Alright, now after you get the 4 screws out, you lay it back down, hold the screen, close the lid, open it back up. Then you want to try to remove this film.
No.
Goodness. It's going to be a little flap. Flap it up, then you pull it out. Take the new screen, face it down. Grab the flap. Make sure you put it in there even and the notches line up. Push the little clip back down. Put the tape down. Grab the screen down. And then you want to turn it on. You want to test it to make sure the new screen is working. So I can confirm by that splash screen that my screen is working. So I'm going to put the screws back in. Lay it back down flat. Make sure all these cords are tucked behind the clips. Put the edges in first, push it down. Then you line the corner up. You should feel a click all the way around. Then you grab this. These parts go facing up into the base. And you grab the back of it and you push them in. After you hear a few clicks, you want to close it. Then squeeze it from. And boom, that's it. Thanks for checking out the video. Hit the subscribe button. Peace out.